Obvious tapping, don't know if challenge from Says. He does brilliant, but Robertson, I just wondered what Cody did.
Good early ball through.
This time it's Thiago who's just in that little 10 pocket.
System this near side was just teasing. All minutes in the first half, a minimum of 3 minutes. There's the brains behind that Wolves move.
They will be dangerous. And again,
half-time at 0-0. Aït-Nouri across the face of goal, and Aït-Nouri, good early ball in, hesitancy. Alisson got there.
Oh, it's a teaser, it really is. Alisson doesn't know whether to...
Picks his pocket. Hwang can't take it in his stride.
It's the pass into him that he had to, and that's where I felt that Hwang maybe should have hit that first.
I believe his look. Jota to Salah. Salah seeking out Mane. The cross, everybody. Waiting is Salah. Scrambled in.
Gene in there, brilliant save. Jimenez, and then he nearly gets back on it in that man to connect with it cleanly. He doesn't.
Plays it inside into the path of Van Dijk. Henderson is alongside him.
He does feel actually was
3 matches. The closest we've had in the second half. Mane does his dance, goes on the outside of Semedo, puts the ball. Henderson. Arnold. Henderson flashes one in, does a tango with, somehow gets it through. Forced to Thiago. On a mission to score the goal, takes an all-comers. One in there, too many, brilliant save for Jota. Jota draws breath, takes his time, and a can't block with his midriff.
The two of them.
Conor Cody literally limps back onto the goal line and just across Fabinho. Thiago.
You see, he just takes his straight down the shin.
Neves. Traore.
Not enough though, because Traore gets ball. It was a teasing ball for Traore.
Clearly a card.
There's no argument.
Robertson wins the fight to get to the ball. Short. Having an off. Traore.
And there's no surprise again, because that man just so...
A flash of yellow. Liverpool have every single player back defending. It's not enough though.
Brilliant, Rob. It really is, and you've got to...
Too much on the pass, even for the Fabinho. Ball to the ground by Jimenez, and an ambitious spare man in Hwang, if he can find him. Robertson was wise to it, and then Mane on the blind side. He can't keep concentration. Comes to earlier in the week. It was a very similar moment.
I hit that first time.
Whose challenge was just this side of legal. Enters the area with intent. Drops the shoulder, loses Semedo. Necessary. Back to Robertson. Swashbuckling move from the
pass. 1-2 with Origi. You know, almost get
on his feet. Jimenez taking on Mane.
Just got his arm up.
So, Salah takes over at low centre of gravity. Mane. Alexander-Arnold.
And that's the range he likes to be in.
Back, Curtis Jones missing for Liverpool. Great turn this from Divock Origi.
I think the back five have been magnificent, Rob.
Oxlade-Chamberlain hauls in it. They've generally got matches wrapped up by now, and they're really having to work space in the centre circle. Flip over the top. Alisson has to come right to the extra. Alexander-Arnold goes for the element of surprise.
Defensively, just look at that. Worthy of, and it's a brilliant delivery into that area.
Can play through the pain barrier.
Get in behind.
Fabinho, spare man, far post, passed on by Fabinho. Falls nicely to Salah, turns.
It does open up. That's a little swipe, and I'm expecting
12th man for the players down there. Origi gives it. Salah falls steam ahead. Mohamed Salah puts the ball into Origi. Salah, the brains behind the operation. Divock Origi, the Liverpool hero yet again. Super sub.
Oh, Rob, the scenes down in the dugout. It's unbelievable. Klopp, the whole bench.
Donna Yuri, Thomas.